Okay, hello everyone. So I have been doing these cooking videos for a while, and I thought, why don't I start cooking things that I've never done or I don't know how to do at all? And so I was like, different cuisines. Why not try something I haven't had since 2007? Indian food. Luckily, I have a best friend. Well, sometimes he's a best friend. Manny Patel. And gonna get him on the phone. He's gonna teach me how to marinate the start of this dish. And then tomorrow we're gonna cook. Bam, bam. Hello there, Manny.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fabulous, darling, fabulous.
Great.
So I was just telling everybody on the YouTube world that you are my best friend sometimes. And that you're gonna teach me how to make my first Indian dish.
Yes, it's a sort of Anglo-Indian hybrid, so...
Yeah, so challenge part one is you're gonna teach me the marinade, correct?
Yes, so the marinade, yes. So have you diced up all the 3 chicken breasts that you've done?
Are you drinking?
No.
Me either.
No, I just ran over to...
Okay, so I've already washed my boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and you said I have to dice them.
Dice them, yes. Do between 1 and 1.5 inch cubes. Yeah, so put the cubes, first of all, before you put the cubes in the bowl, get your bowl out, and then put in 3 spoons of yogurt, like...
Okay, my 3 dollops of yogurt are in there.
Right. Okay.
Now.
1 teaspoon of the chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, the mustard powder, Gary cumin, the coriander powder. So garam masala, again 1 teaspoon of that. 3 teaspoons of the butter chicken. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. 1 big dollop of each of the garlic paste and ginger paste. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. There we go. Yeah, get a spoon and just mix it all up. Make sure it's a nice consistent paste. Once your marinade is done, put the chicken in, make sure it's dry, and just go in there with your hand. Perfect. Well, tomorrow we'll see how it turns out. I'm excited.
All right, tomorrow we'll be cooking. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Cut! And we're rolling. All right, let's see. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Yesterday, we showed you how to marinate our chicken for our dish today. And today, Chef Manny Patel is going to show us how to cook this dish. So, Manny, what is this dish called again?
Well, first of all, it's not Chef Manny Patel. It's Manny Patel that could make a curry for a dummy, which is what we're doing because, you know, I'm not the best chef in the world, but I've perfected my skills since the quarantine, and I think I'm pretty good. So we're going to make a chicken curry, which it includes a few of the main ingredients that most curries have, and we're going to start off with something simple. And if this goes well, this will be a series of many.
Right, because Manny doesn't like being called a chef because he used to be a world famous DJ. This is our chopped up chicken with all of our curry spices that you showed us put in there, Manny, and the, how do you say yogurt?
Yogurt.
So good, so chic. And in the essence of time, Manny told me to pre-chop 2 red onions, which I did. Also to peel 8 of these golden potatoes, peeled them, chopped them in thirds, soaked them in water for about 20 minutes. So we just had to move Manny because clearly the internet connection on this side of the kitchen is not as good as this side. So he's right here. Okay.
Yeah, because my face is so fat that the bandwidth can't get through the internet. That's what it is.
Manny, you're not fat. Don't try to look for sympathy from the viewers. We discussed all of that. Now we have the tomatoes.
Just chop them as finely as you can and put them back in the bowl, and don't lose any of the juices.
Don't lose any of the juices. So, the tomatoes are cut.
Yeah, you want them, okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's your first one. We'll go.
It's our first one. I'm a virgin, leave me alone.
Yeah, right, in what universe?
Okay, next step, Manny. Okay, drain.
Okay, so you got that.
So now you want to put quite a bit of water there. Make sure you've got at least 2 inches of water above the potatoes. Now, put the pan for your chicken, put it on the gas, and have it on high, and leave it there for about a minute.
So 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
So now you've got your pan, right?
Yeah.
With the oil. Now put maybe half of the butter you've got in there right now. Just make sure it doesn't burn whatever you do.
I'm doing my best, Manny. I'm doing my best.
Okay, put the chicken in.
This is what it looks like in your pan. It's really starting to smell like an Indian bistro in here.
So, yeah, cover it for about a minute, and then we're gonna put the onions in, right?
Okay, so I'm gonna put all of the onions in.
Yes.
Watch this trick, guys. Woo! Okay, I turned up my heat. Now you want me to stir it in together.
So your medium to high heat. Keep stirring that for a good minute or so. So all the onions and the chicken's sort of like cooking and getting the oil. Yeah.
Manny, how long have we known each other for now?
Oh shoot, 15 years.
That's a long time.
When the meat starts cooking, you'll be able to notice it very quickly. So leave it for about a minute or so.
Josh has been trying to get me to go to an Indian restaurant since we met, which has now been like 5 years. Last time you took me to a really good Indian restaurant when I was living in London. Well, here's the thing. It's looking great, it's smelling great, but because it's covered in all of the spices, it already looks like it's brown. It's smelling amazing. That's why I'm like, if I ever just wanna, you know, have people come over and be like, yep, I'm just an amazing, you know, Martha Stewart. Have your house smell fragrant.
Yeah, you look just like her.
Clink, clink.
Well, you know, Bobby, all white people look the same to me.
Okay, now you're gonna put in smashed tomatoes.
It's gonna be fun. So now I put in all of the.
Actually, no. Well, hold on. Okay.
I think you need to take a Xanax and chill. We got this under control here.
I don't have a Xanax. You send me one, please. Now adding in the tomatoes.
Okay, girl. Okay, girl. I mean, the sauce is bubbling, so I think it's good.
Okay. Now put in the same amount of spices put in yesterday. So let's start with the red chili.
Oh man.
And then, do you have any cinnamon powder?
I sure do. I just use it to make my oatmeal raisin cookies.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, I think this is all mixed up. I add the potatoes now.
Yes, add the potatoes in, but make sure you don't crush the potatoes. You're adding it in. You don't want mushy potatoes in it.
Look, it's about to explode. Can you see? It's all bubbling. And how long do we let this simmer for?
Let it simmer. Well, let it simmer. Once it starts boiling, it's kind of indicative it's done, but it should be a good like 20, 25 minutes.
Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to stir it all up.
Is it quite soupy or is it very dry?
No, it's soupy. What do you mean dry?
Okay, good. Okay. All right. Perfect.
Reminds me of that Joan Rivers joke where she used to talk about how dry her vagina was.
I'm not a complainer, but it's hard to be a woman. It's hard.
Speaking of dried up female anatomy, how you doing?
Excuse me, bitch? All right, see how that's boiling? Oh, look at that. All right, that's it. This is just very easy. Manny, I'm not kidding. This smells really good.
Okay.
And the chicken's cooked, right?
Yes, wow. Wow.
Sure.
Good job, Manny. This was really good.
Good job, Bobby. Yay! Woo!
Okay, so we're gonna put the recipe in the link, I'm sure. All right, well, I think that was a successful first try at cooking a cuisine that I've never had before. Thanks to my BFF, Manny Patel. It was quite the labor of love for me. Try the recipe, let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, I'll give you Manny's address and you can toilet paper his house. If you do like it, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see what we're up to next. But until next time, we'll see you then. Bye!